We're waiting for the salute of the cannons in Malta, and the gentleman standing by the cannon, the soldier. Oh, faster than I thought. It is 12 noon in Malta.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is how we still celebrate the passing of time here at the saluting battery. Let's give 3 big cheers for our gunner. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Uh-oh, here we go. Second one.
Firing. In just a few minutes' time, we're going to be starting the tour around the saluting battery. So there's still time to make your way down here. The tour will consist of a soldier showing you around fortifications, explaining the history of the saluting battery, as well as giving you a brief introduction into the art of artillery itself.
No one's coming into this entrance. No one. You'd have to be crazy to be standing down there waiting for cannon fire. But it's pretty cool. So
the one cannon went off, and the second cannon he had ready just in case the first one didn't fire. So he just took all the packing out of the second cannon.
I don't think it's a misfire.
This one wasn't, no.
War HQ total, sectors of 450 years of Maltese underground military history, all the way from the Knights of St. John to the Victorian period, World War II and the Cold War.
Well, we won't keep you too long. You don't get to see cannons fire too often.
Throughout the day,